Hello guys, our today's topic is encoding using one hot encoding. Okay, so first, what is encoding? Encoding means simple. Converting categorical means text data into numerical form. Okay, so what is categorical data? Categorical data that represents categories or labels. Okay, see, suppose I have a gender column. I have two types of categories, male and female. I have color column. There are three types of categories I have in this column. Red, blue, green. City, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune. I have these three categories. So these are not numbers. So okay, these are categorical data. Okay. So why do we need encoding? Because whenever we will build machine learning models, machine learning always basically deal with numbers. It does not basically it does not deal with categorical data, text data. Okay, so we that's why we need to convert it into numerical form. Okay, so like we can convert male to zero, female to one, or female to zero, or male to one. Okay, so this process is called encoding. So one hot encoding. By one hot encoding, we just create separate columns for each category. Suppose I have gender column, I have male and female categories, and after encoding, it will give us basically two different columns, gender male, gender female. Okay, so uh, I have a data set. I will show you the data set. So this is my data set. Okay, if you will check in gender column, I have two categories, and in ethnicity column, I have one, two, three, four categories. Okay. Today, I will do encoding using one hot encoding for these two columns. Okay. So how we can do? Okay. How we can do using Python? For Python, I will use Jupyter Lab. For using Jupyter Lab, please download Anaconda Navigator. Okay. And after downloading it, search here Anaconda prompt, sorry, Anaconda prompt, write CD, give your file location, Control C, Control V, enter, write Jupyter Lab, and again press enter. Okay, it will open Jupyter Lab into my browser. I will wait for a few seconds. It is open. I will choose this. Suppose I will give some name. Suppose I am giving one hot encoding. Okay, press enter. Then I will import some required libraries. Import numpy as np, import pandas as qt, shift plus enter. Now I will load my data set. Suppose I have taken data variable for loading the data set, pd dot read slash excel, because I have Excel file. I will give you the data set, copy path. Now control V. Now I will check my data is loaded or not. Data dot head 3. I will check first three rows. See, my data is loaded, and these are my three rows, first three rows. Okay. So I have to perform operations of encoding for these two columns, gender and ethnicity. What we will do, I will basically, I will basically take these two. columns first. Okay. Suppose I have taken a new variable data2 is equal to how we can take a data double square braces and give your column name center, take your another column that is ethnicity, control C, control V. Okay. Now see the data2 is I've taken from data C. Now I have taken these two columns from from our data. Okay. So now I will do pd dot get dummies. Okay. Dummies for my data two. What get dummies do? It basically automatically creates new columns. Okay. Suppose I have two categories, gender, female. It will create gender slash male, gender slash female, two columns automatically. This is what getDemis do. For ethnicity, it will create four columns because it has four categories. Okay. So see, shift plus enter. Now, see, I have this gave me six new columns. Two based on gender column and four based on ethnicity. Okay, this is what databases do. Okay, this is what databases do. Okay, now I will import one hot encoder by which we will do encoding from Scikit-learn. I will I will import one hot encoder. Okay, sklearn dot pre-processing. From pre-processing module I can get one hot encoder. Okay, one hot encoder. Okay, shift plus enter. Okay, now I have imported one hot encoder from scikit-learn. Okay, I will create an object to call one hot encoder. Okay, suppose this is one hot encoder, so I will just give OHE. Okay, OH is equal to one hot encoder. Copy, control V. I have created an object to call one hot encoder. Okay. Now I will create a variable AR is equal to for taking an array. Okay. So OXE dot fit transform. I am fitting one hot encoder to data two. Okay. I will explain this. Fit transform for data two. Okay. To, to array to convert this as an array. Okay. So what we are doing here. Fit basically learns unique categories. Okay. What are unique categories? Suppose, for example, male, female, Asian, Latino. These are unique categories. It will learn. Fit. Okay. Transform. Transform means convert them into encoded value. What it means? This is in categorical form. It will convert those into numeric form. 1, 2, 0. Okay. So shift plus enter. Okay. Now I have converted this into array. Okay. Now what I will do. I will convert this into a data frame. Can be so I can make this into a readable form. How we can do that? pt dot data data frame. pt dot data frame for which variable AR columns. I will give all columns name here. Okay, all columns name here. What are my all columns? Control C, Control V, will give male. Now four more columns. Control C, Control V. Three columns more. Control C. Okay. Two more columns. I'm converting this into data frame. Okay. Control V. Last column. My last column is this. Okay. Control C. Control V. Okay. So I am converting this array into data frame. So shift plus enter. Okay. This is saying I have eight. I am giving six columns in, but it has eight. So what we can do, I can simply give AR. I can only give my variable six, not six. My all columns, which were gender, female, male, ethnicity, Asian, which has true false value after get dummies, or I had categorical values. Now it all has numeric values. Okay, it all has numeric values. I have converted this into numeric form. Okay, so this is how we convert categorical data into numeric data using one hot encoding. Okay, so this is all in this video. In next video, we will see how we can do encoding using label encoding. Okay, thank you.